welcome to my channel. This is Agony and me, with me being Agony and you guys being the main part, because you guys are joining me in this crazy journey called life. And today for life, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I got some free things from Walmart from their baby registry. So for those that do not know, I am actually 31 weeks pregnant or expectant. Here we go. And this is actually my first pregnancy, so I'm a first time mama, and I'm gonna be having a little baby boy. Since I am a first time mom, I have been doing a lot of research, a lot of watching videos, a lot of learning. In all of my research, I actually happened to find a lot of pages that suggest you to get these free baby samples and show you how to get them, so that way you have free samples of pacifiers, of bottles, lotions, shampoos, pretty much everything. You can even get clothes and even swaddles. And so I decided to do it myself and to show you guys what I ended up getting and the process that I had to go through so that I can get it, so that way you guys can do it too. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the one for Walmart. So this is the Walmart Registry Box, and I literally think this is the cutest thing ever. It says, "Knock knock, who's here?" I have already seen this because there's no way I was gonna wait. I'm that type of person that would want to open a Christmas gift now and then just look at it later. I don't care for surprises, I just care to know what's inside. For this, they actually have from Walmart, a special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one. So I was really impressed with what was in here. And I had seen some that had even bottles inside. Mine did not, but I still think it was a really good package, especially because everything's free. So, like, why am I going to complain about getting really good things even if I didn't get another item? And usually the item is like a Dr. Brown's bottle, but I already have those from other registries, which you guys can also go ahead and watch because I have them all uploaded here on my channel. So if you guys are actually wondering about the Target registry Bye Bye Baby, I have the Bump Club and Beyond registry bag, Amazon registry, and I also have a newbie box. I might be getting a baby list box that I ordered, but I don't even know when that's coming in, so I don't know when I'm going to get to actually upload that one for you guys. So far, those are the ones that you guys have to choose from, and for this one, it is the Walmart one, and I'm going to be starting off with something that's my favorite because I think it's so cute and I haven't seen these, so it's really interesting. It's called the Even Flow Balance Pacifier. It's like literally like just a plain silicone, like a little passy, and it comes in this bag, and it even says that the bag is used for sterilizing and you can use it up to 2 times. So I really just like this one. It just looks really cute to me. And another thing is this other pacifier. This is a Tommy Tiffany nighttime one, and this is for 0 to 6 months. And it does look a little bit more basic on the little nipple sucker part, but it is just the cutest little thing, and it matches because I'm going to be having a little baby boy, and it's this little like kind of gender neutral thing, so I really like the outer space thing. And I actually have one more little pacifier, and that is the Ma'am Passy. So then I actually do have a couple of these from other registries, but I just think this is really cute, and I hear that a lot of babies actually like this one because of the fact that they are actually made in size for newborns, so they're actually smaller passies than other ones, or at least I'm guessing that fit better in their mouth. Next we have the Johnson's Newborn Face and Body Lotion. So this one's actually really cute. This is Walmart's the only one that actually gave me this type of body lotion. The other ones were usually the Aveeno baby lotion. They also gave the Johnson's Newborn Wash and Shampoo. So I always think these are great for your diaper bag in case you need to like shower your kid at grandma's or shower your kid at auntie's because maybe they exploded and got it in their hair. Maybe they, you know, like I'm a first time mom, but literally I think about every single scenario. Like, you guys, I'm so like paranoid. I make up scenarios in my head all the time, so I would definitely have one of these everywhere I go just to make sure I have it in case I need it. And that's my mentality as a person, probably will be as a parent, which will probably get me carrying more things than I need. But it's just what I'm gonna have to do to stay calm in like my state of mind, whatever. For the next item, it is actually grape water. This box is the only one that actually gave me grape water. This is literally a whole pack of grape water. I haven't opened this yet. And it even comes with a little syringe. So, oh, and even a $5 off coupon. I wonder how much this costs if you need a $5 off coupon. I mean, I have one now. So, another thing that came in here is also this stretch mark cream. I will be sampling them first before I actually buy. I actually added it to my Amazon cart and my Target cart as registry gifts so that I can actually buy them for completion of carts. But since I've gotten a couple of these, I decided to take them off and I'll just be sampling them first before I buy it to see if I see any results. So I would actually recommend you guys doing that too. That way you guys don't buy it and feel like nothing's happening. So yeah, I also hear it has a strange smell to it. So we'll see about that. Another thing that I actually haven't gotten in other packages is the Huggies. I've gotten wipes, but I haven't gotten these diapers, and this is actually a pack of 3 in size 1, and it seems like it might have coupons inside in the back. So yeah, these are cute, nice to try out. These is the only Huggies that I've gotten. I usually get like Pampers samples. This one's nice too. And they also included an oral pain relief from Highland Baby. So this is right here, and I believe it also comes with like for you to scan it for your registry. So it says add to your registry right there. So that's really cute and something to actually be prepared for, because babies start teething like what, like 4 months in or something like that. I just know from all the YouTubers that show that their babies are teething already. I feel like I have literally prepared for so much just through these sample boxes. I would totally recommend, especially if they're completely free. And one thing that I thought was super cute was this. Of course, I opened it already, but it has like little progress cards or like milestone cards, which is like 1 month, 2 months, and in the back it even has things like I walked today or today so you can actually include whatever it is that happened that day. And they also have the I stood up today, and in the back of these cards it will actually have options for you to scan for like baby gates and like not strollers, it says activity walker and like soothing sounds and like machines, like stuff like that, so you can actually scan those for your registry. So I thought that was really cute. You guys can get more ideas of like what you would want to use, and it kind of progresses with the age of the baby. So other than that, they just have like how to add strollers and car seats to your registry, and this little pamphlet for the stretch mark cream, as well as a Medela kind of like, I guess, pamphlet for your pump. So yeah, I actually do plan on breastfeeding. That's why I kind of really like when they include bottles in the registry boxes, because I do not want to buy sets of bottles or have them in my registry just because I don't feel like I really need to. Mostly if I don't know what kind of bottle my baby's going to take, because I do hear that a lot, how babies might not take a bottle and might like another one instead. So I like that I get like different samples and different types of bottles and pacifiers. That way I can just kind of be prepared for anything. The way that you can actually get your Walmart registry box is just by simply going to walmart.com, and you just create an account, and with creating your account you can create a baby registry. And when you create your registry, you actually go and you find your share code or like your registration code, and all you have to do is literally go back, can say you want a free gift. And with the free gift, you just have to add your code, your name, and your address, and that's pretty much how you get free baby things. All you have to do is just make an account, a baby registry, add your baby registry account to the fact that you want the gift, and yeah, sign up. And it's that easy. You don't pay any shipping costs, and you get this little cute little box, because honestly, this is one of my favorite ones. I just really like the variety of pacifiers. I like how it gave you so many little sample creams and even the gripe water. I don't know. I just think that for a Walmart box, it was really impressive, just for the fact that it's not even a baby store. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoy watching these type of videos because I like unboxing videos and storytime videos and people talking. But if you are just like me, go ahead and comment that down below. And I hope you guys actually go ahead and get this little box. And if you guys do, I would really like if you guys would tag me at Agari, and I will be putting that here as well on the screen, and that is my Instagram. So go ahead and tag me there, or go ahead and create your own YouTube video sharing your experience, and we can see what you got in your registry box. Because again, a lot of people get different items. This is just what I got. I don't know what you might get in yours. And so if you guys like this video, also drop a link down below and subscribe. Like I said, I do have more baby registry videos of showing you how to get those free items. If you guys like those types of things and just baby things in general, I will be posting more baby things because my baby's almost here. So literally, that's all I'm gonna have to do. Like, I'm gonna be focusing on my baby, and I hope you guys can come along on that journey with me. Again, this is Agadi and me, but maybe Nagadi and you guys be the me part, because you guys are coming along on this journey called life. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching.